Welcome! Today we're exploring domain-driven design, or DDD for short. It's a powerful approach to building complex software systems by focusing on the business problems they're meant to solve. In software, a domain is the specific area of knowledge your application is built for. For example, banking, healthcare, or e-commerce are all domains. Domain-driven design begins by deeply understanding that business domain before writing any code. The central idea of domain-driven design is to connect software design directly to business needs. Instead of starting with databases or frameworks, we start with the language, concepts, and rules of the domain. This creates software that truly reflects the way the business works. A key principle of DDD is something called ubiquitous language. This means developers and business experts share the same vocabulary. If the business calls it an order, the code also calls it an order. No confusing translations. Nowadays, everyone speaks the same language. In complex systems, not every part of the software means the same thing. That's why DDD introduces bounded context. Each bounded context is a clearly defined area where a specific model applies. For example, customer may mean something different in sales versus support, and bounded contexts keep that clear. Domain-driven design helps teams avoid building software that doesn't match real needs. It reduces miscommunication, improves collaboration between developers and business experts, and ensures the system can evolve as the business grows. In short, domain-driven design aligns software with real business problems using concepts like domains, ubiquitous language, and bounded contexts. If you want your software to truly serve your business, DDD is a great place to start.